How are you students? I hope you all are fit and fine. As you know students, your half-yearly exams will come soon till 6th of January. Okay students? So students, in our today's class, I will explain to you how you attempt your question paper. So I will explain the pattern of your question paper. Okay? So first thing, I will just tell your syllabus. 5 chapters will come in your exam. Okay? Chapter number 5, the Southern Plateaus. Chapter number 6, India's soil and forest wealth. And chapter number 7, the Thar Desert. Chapter number 8, the coastal plains and islands. And chapter number 9, our water wealth. Clear beta? So this is your syllabus. 5 chapters will just come in your exam. Now students, your question paper is of 80 marks. It is clear beta? Your question paper is of 80 marks. Clear? First one, your section A. Section A is of 40 marks. And the second part is section B. And section B is of same 40 marks. Clear beta? Section A is objective and the section B is subjective. Clear? In section number A, that it is of 40 marks and all the objective type questions like MCQs, fill-ups, true, false, match the columns, one word. Okay beta? This type of question just come in section number A. It is of objective type question. Objective type pattern is here in section number A. It is of 40 marks. And in the second one is subjective. It was all the question answers like short answer type questions, long answer type questions. Like if you are having differentiate between also in your chapters, that will also come difference between island, peninsula, whatever this you have. Okay. And you have just maybe defined the terms also you get in this section number B. It was subjective part, question answers are theoretical part. Just come in your subjective. Okay. So beta in section number A, MCQs, you got like multiple choice questions. You just prepared from your course book also, from the checkpoint questions. Okay beta, from exercises. And you just read the chapter also. Maybe some just come from the chapter also. Okay beta. And you just prepared all the exercises from your workbook also. So, second thing about the fill-ups also the same. You just prepared from your course book and prepared from your workbook, okay? Then, true false also that you prepared from your course book and from your workbook. And match the columns also. Clear beta? For the match the columns, you just prepared from the course book and from the workbook also. Plus beta, you have to prepare match the columns also. For the match the column beta, you have to prepare two tables. Okay, one table you have just prepared from chapter number 6 about the national park. One table just given in chapter number 6 about the national park. Okay beta, so you just prepared that table. In that table you got about the national parks, where these national parks are located. It is clear beta? Where these national parks are located, you just learn it. Maybe that just come in your match the columns. You will take here example page number 50. Okay, like Jim Corbett National Park, where it is located, Uttarakhand. Clear? And one more table you prepared from the chapter number 9. Okay, our water wealth, about the dams. In that chapter you have now one table for the dams on page number 72. Okay, where is Bhakra Dam, in which state it is located, on which river also, Hirakund Dam. Okay, Damodar Valley Project, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam and Sardar Sarovar Dam. Okay, so you have to prepare these two tables also for the objective pattern. It is clear? And in one word beta, you just get one word also. Okay, in section number A, in objective part, you get one word also. And so for the one word, you have to prepare word body also from the chapters. Okay, in your chapters, you just getting word body also. You take example here. If it is fresh water, okay, and one word, just word body, it will be just come as a one word only. I will just give the sentence. So you have to prepare word body as a one word. You take example here. If water for suitable for drinking, then what the one word? Fresh water. So you just learn fresh water. Another you will take example. Okay, in the sea. Okay, not far from the land. What is that? Offshore. Clear beta? So you have to prepare word body also for the one word. It is clear? And you just for the one word you have just prepared all the checkpoint questions from the course book also. That answer just like one word only. Okay. Now in your section number B. Section number B, it is of 40 marks. In this, you got very short type questions. Define the terms. Clear? You got short type questions. You got long type questions. And if you are having difference between also, then you get that type questions also. And in this section number B, middle you get map work also. Okay. So you just prepared map from the chapter number 7 from the Thar Desert. Okay. In this chapter you prepared the location of Thar Desert. From chapter number 7, you just for the map you prepared the location of Thar Desert. Okay, beta. And from one map also you prepared from chapter number 8. In this chapter you just prepared the location of Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, clear? Eastern coast areas, western coastal areas, clear beta? And you just learned various Coromandel coast, various Kathiawar coast, Korkar coast, Malabar coast. It is clear beta? So from this chapter you just prepared these things also. Where is Lakshadweep Island, where it is located, where is Andaman and Nicobar Island is located. Clear? So beta, that map work also you prepared for the subjective part for the 40 marks, that part of 40 marks of subjective. So map work is also included here, and you just prepared map work from chapter number 7 and from chapter number 8. From chapter number 7, location of Thar Desert, and from chapter number 8 you just revised the location of Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Island, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Clear beta? And eastern coastal plains, western coastal plains, and 3 coast. One is there in Coromandel coast, Kathiawar coast, Malabar coast, and Konkan coast. Clear beta? So you have to prepare that map also. Now it is clear about the question paper. How to attend your question paper? First you attend section number A. Section number A is of 40 marks. Attempt all the questions from the section A. Okay, read this proper and write their answers. Clear? Then you will start section number B. Okay, write only answers. Don't write the questions from this one. Write only answers. You just read the question proper and write their answers. And then you do map work. Take one map and you just complete that and attach that map in your answer sheet copy only. Clear beta? So you have to prepare your syllabus proper. All the best for your syllabus.